Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Onfido Identity Verification Review My Usage Experience. Onfido Identity Verification Review My Usage Experience offers a secure and automated identity verification service for businesses. It's primarily aimed at companies needing to verify the identities of their users or customers online to prevent fraud and comply with regulations. Key features likely include document verification, facial recognition, and liveness detection. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website provides details on their various packages and pricing. They emphasize speed and accuracy in their identity verification process, highlighting the use of AI and machine learning. Ease of integration with existing systems is another key selling point. Pricing appears transparent, though details would need to be checked on their site. Availability is global, as per their marketing materials. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Onfido Identity Verification Review My Usage Experience. I used Onfido for a new freelance platform I'm building. Getting started was remarkably straightforward. The onboarding process involved creating an account, connecting my existing payment gateway, and then following the clear instructions for integrating their API. Navigating their dashboard was intuitive. The interface was clean and well organized, allowing me to easily monitor verification requests and manage settings. The whole process, from submitting a request to receiving verification, was remarkably fast, usually under a minute. I was really impressed by how quickly and accurately it confirmed identities. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve for utilizing all of their advanced reporting features. It took me a couple of hours to fully understand how to generate custom reports. I had a quick question about API integration and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, which was excellent. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and accuracy of the facial recognition technology. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Onfido. It streamlined my verification process significantly, boosting security and saving me considerable time. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly improved the security of my platform. That's my overview of Onfido Identity Verification Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.